खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is PHP for loop, and also we will see PHP in PHP for loop and do while other looping. So as we have discussed about PHP and editor, now we will cover the following looping statement in PHP. So there are basically two types of for loop in PHP. The first one is your for, and the another method is also for each. So see what is the syntax of for loop. It is same as you used in C and C++ and other programming language. So first I have to write for, and then you have to initialize and then give the condition and then increment decrement sign and close the bracket. So this is the syntax for loop. So here the for loop is the loop block. Initialize usually an integer. It is used to set the counter's initial value. So condition is the that is evaluated for each PHP execution. If it's evaluated to true, then execution of the for, and loop is terminated. If it is evaluates to false, the execution the for. Increment is used to increment the initial value of counter integer. How it works, see and understand with the mm, flow diagram. First you have to start, and then you have to check condition statement. If yes, execute the block. If no, execute code outside while do block, right? So how to code? The code below uses the for loop to print the values of multiplying 10 by 0 through to 10. So here is the syntax. Let's start. First you have to open the tag, and you have to code for PHP, and then initialize the value with integer, and the initial value is 0, and then check the condition value I is less than 10, and then increment value I plus plus, and then you have to uh, multiply with 10. So you have to write the code for multiplication 10 into I, and then you have to print the value. So you use the keyword echo. So the product of 10 is into 10 into I is product, and then this br is for break the line. That's why it is used here. And br is not mandatory for open and closing, so you can write the br. So here is the output of this code. Now we will see what is the code for each loop. The PHP for each loop is used to iterate through array values. It has the following basic syntax like this. You have to write first for each, and then you have to give the variable as value, and then block of the code to be executed. So for each is the for each loop block code. Array data is the array variable to be looped through, and array value is the temporary variable that holds the current array item values. Block of code is the piece of code that operates on the array values. How it works? Let's understand through the flowchart. So first you have to start, and then array elements count is greater than 0. If yes, execute for each block code. If no, go to the execute code outside for each loop. If yes, execute for each block code. End up the array elements reached. If yes, then execute outside each loop. If not, again execute for each block code, right? So here is the code below uses for each loop to read the print the elements of an array. So first you have to open the PHP and then write animals list equal to array lion, wolf, dog, leopard, tiger, and for each animals list as array values, and then print the arrays values, right? So here is the output of this code: lion, wolf, dog, leopard. So this is all about this session. Thank you. I hope you like my session. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.